Hello everybody, hope you're having a great day. And in this video I actually talk about a drawer, and here's an sample application. Its name is actually drawer, so you can just edit it and yeah, and deal with a drawer. Well, I've just made like a template website. It's nothing special, just a layout with buttons, and the buttons have got their own set on touch. Like for example, open has its own set on touch as opening, which is here, opening. So nothing special, just that. And yeah, and the moment you run it to look something is nothing. They are clickable, but actually nothing works, nothing happens. So let's now implement those. But firstly, we have to add the drawer. How do you add the drawer? Well, you create another layout similar to the above layout, but unlike this layout, we'll actually add it to the drawer. As you can see, the last part of this layout, right, we said like add layout to app. So we're adding this layout to the main app so that we can view this layout. But I've made this a template layout, another template layout similar to just like the one above, but without buttons. So here it is. Like it's nothing special. It starts from here, it ends up to here. Nothing special. Just a drawer. I've called it the drawer layout, and then it's actually a normal layout with a text in it. Nothing special. Absolutely nothing special. And as you can see, like this drawer, instead of actually using like the first layout, instead of adding it to the app, we add it to the drawer. And how do you add it to the drawer? Well, use this method known as add drawer. And then as you can see, the first parameter on the middle of the screen, it's layout side width and grab width, I think. Yeah, so for the layout, just have to put the name of the layout. In this case, the name of the layout is this is the name of the layout. So yeah, Jolay, and then it asks us like I'm sure the second parameter will be size, and size, okay, the normal size, any 8, I don't know, like anything less than 1. So yeah, and the width, oh sorry, actually it's a side. It's, I want it to be on the left hand side. I prefer left, and I explain why. And the width, it's something like 0.8. Now just like that, we've created our drawer. Nothing special, like that. So you can just check on the left hand side, and there is our drawer. You can do everything, like you can move it around, and it still works. So now I'll now move it to the right. I prefer the right, I don't know why. Like it's cool. I've never seen a drawer on the right, but it kind of looks nice when it's on the right. Like look, it's on the right. It's so cool. All right, cool. So now we're gonna like implement this function, the first button, which is opening, which is actually called open. And in this button, we're gonna call another method from the app, which is OpenDrawer. And OpenDrawer just takes in the parameter as a side. Which side are we opening? Well, it's that drawer on the right hand side. And we do the same for the closing drawer so that you guys can see what's happening. App.CloseDrawer, close drawer. Which side of the drawer? Well, it's on the right hand side. And here's one thing, like I'll show you this pop-up so that you guys can actually know what's happening. Show pop-up, and the show pop-up will actually app.get drawer status, which will retain the side of the drawer, which is the right hand side. It will retain the current status. Like if it's open, it will say open. If it's closed, it will say closed. So yeah, that's what this function is for. Okay, it will get the current drawer status. Let me just copy it because I don't want to repeat it over and over. And copy it. Alright, let's now run this. When we run it, we, instead of opening it like this, we can actually just click open, sliding. Interesting. And then close door. Okay, it's already closed, so there's no need for us to actually do anything. Like it's already closed. But okay, here, like even when I click on it, right, like even when you click anywhere, it will just close. Even if I were to click somewhere here, it will still close. Like honestly, it will close. See, but the other thing that the way we can make this work, the close drawer, is by implementing the locking feature. Like the moment you put in the app.LockDrawer, right, it closes drawer. Like you cannot use the slides to open the drawer or close it. It won't work. like it won't work anymore. And then it also takes in the parameter as a side, which is right. So let's just try locking the drawer. You see what I'm trying to say. So yeah, here it can move, but now let's lock it. It can't anymore, so I have to open it and close it. See, I have to open it and close it. So yeah, that's that. You can also do the same for the unlock feature, unlocking, which is just the same app.UnlockDrawer, unlock drawer, and takes in the side. What's the side? The same side of the drawer, which is the right hand side. And now once we lock it, let's try to lock it. Lock it. It cannot move anymore. I can't move it. I can't. It's really hard. I can't. But I can only open it using the open. Then I can unlock it, and the moment I unlock it, then I can do this again. So the whole point of the drawer is that you can add as many widgets as you can, or as many controls as you can. So yeah, that's the importance of, I guess that's how they actually make a drawer. Like, you just have to put things here that make it look attractive. Okay, and then the last thing now is a remove drawer, like which is app.RemoveDrawer, remove drawer, and then the side of the drawer, which is right. Okay. Let me put this one here. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so it's closed. The drawer is currently closed. Oh yeah, so yeah, I actually made a mistake here, but yeah, that's the thing. Like let me just comment this one out, like so that you see everything. So I've implemented the opening, closing, lock, unlock, and removing. And they just simple, guys. Just have to write app.OpenDrawer, app.CloseDrawer, app.LockDrawer, app.UnlockDrawer, app.RemoveDrawer, which will remove the drawer. Like, let's now try everything at once. So firstly, we'll run the application, and then to tell us that, oh, it's closed, the drawer is, and then the moment I open it, well, nothing happens because I haven't implemented that function. But yeah, so it works. You can slide it, or you can use the open drawer and it will still open. And we can now close it also in case we locked it. Okay, now it's locked. Now we can open it after being locked, and we can close it. Yeah, that works. And then we can now unlock it. Now we can now move it, and then the last thing is that we can remove it. The moment you move it, you can move it, and then the moment you move it, it stops working. Even when I click on open drawer, nothing happens. I click on close drawer, nothing happens, because why? It's removed. It can't work. So, and that's how you make a drawer, you guys. You can just add other controllers so that you can make it more attractive. Thank you, guys.